Let's understand right join. It is simple.
So today we will see another interesting question, that is show all your department names and the employee working in them. Even if department has no employees, it should still appear in the list. So we have been given two tables, that is the employee table and the department table. So here we have to find all the department names and the employee working in them. It means whichever department names are mentioned in this department table, you have to find name of those departments and the employees who are working in those departments. So how to get the employees working? We have to join these two tables definitely. So one thing is very clear. If you assume this is your left table, this is the right table, you want everything from your right table. So we are going to use the right join. And this is the video I'm introducing right join to you. So let's see. What is the concept of right join? So from right table, all the records will come. And for the records which are not matching to the left table, the null will be appended to that. You remember previous video we have seen left join, where everything from left table was coming in the result, and anything which is not matching to the right table, there was a null appended to that. I hope you remember. Okay, next let's write it. So from employees E, we'll do the right join departments D on e.dpt underscore id equal to d.dpt underscore id, and then you can do select e dot star and e dot star. So everything from employee, everything from department. Now you will see that all the records from department table will come and the employees working in them. Let's see. Okay, so let me just drag it here so that we get a clear view of what we are up to here. Okay, so this is your employee table, this is your department table. Now this is your right join, where you have done the right join on department table. Okay, now you can see from department table 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 all has came here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. For all these 10, 20, 30, 40, there is a match in department ID in employee table 10, 20, 30, 40. But for 50, there is a no match because it is not present in employee. So you can see 50 still is in the final output, but all the records for employee table is null. So this is the basic of thing. This you will get everything from your left right table, and the records which are not matching to the left table you will get null appended. Now you can see here 99 and null was there. Why these two records didn't come in the output? Because it does not ensure that everything from your left table will come. It will only ensure that everything from your right table will definitely come your output, and anything which is from right table not matching to your left table, null will be appended. I think it will be more clear when we go to the Excel sheet and we'll see the actual visualization of the flow. But I hope it is clear here based on the query right now. So this is the query. Okay, let's understand the same thing in the SQL. So here you can see this is an employee table, this is a department table. Now you are going to join department table and employee table, and deployment department table is your right table and this is your left table. So in the right join, you will start looking for this column in this column. When I say this, for example, your record number 30 from department table, you will start looking in this one. That's why I have given the arrow direction. You can see, right? You're searching in this one. So okay, so the common schema will definitely always be there. Let's put the schema here. Now you start looking for 10. This is the first, right? 10 from department A, department name. You're looking this in here. You can see it is matched first time. Okay, so this record will come here and this record will come here. Now again, you were searching 10, you got match here, but again you move to the next row, you saw 10 is here also. So again this row has to come. Now you searched first row, second row, you match, third row again is matching with 10. It means third row also will come in the output, right? Okay, now next is 20. So 20 is not matching with 10, so let's go to the next row here. That is 20. 20 again matching with 20, so this complete row will come. Then this 20 HR will definitely come because they're matching against this. Now you see next is 30. So obviously 20 is not matching 30, so nothing will come. Now next move to the 30. So 30 is, you start searching 10, 20, 30, 30 here it is matching, right? So this row will come. It will always start matching from top only. Now next is null. null is not 30, right? So this searching will stop now. Now again it will go to next record, that is 40. It will search here 10, 20, 30, null, 40 is matching here. So it will make a relation with this column. It will print here. Then again the 40 will come and it will print here. Okay, next is 40. Again it is 40. So this again will print here. Okay, done. Next is 20. But next is 20. We are searching for 40, right? This is 40. We are searching 40 in this list. We got two places. Third one is not 40, so this searching will stop now. Next is 50. So 50 will start searching from top. Anywhere you will not get 50, but this is a property of right join, that everything from right table will definitely come in the output. So even though it is not matching, it will come in the output. Now what happened with the left table? Like this is our left table, this is our right table. Okay, so what happens with the right table? So all the values will be appended as null from the left table. So this all value will go as null. That's it. Done. So this is the explanation of right join, where we have done the joining between two tables, considering one as a right table and one as a left table. So this is our left table, this is our right table, and the property says that all the records from right table will definitely come in the output, and if they are not having any matching record in the left table, all the records will come as a null. So hope it is clear. Just explaining one more time. So here it is starting with 10, it will look for 10. It is matching first row, it will come in output. Matching second row, come in output. Matching third row, come in output. Then the fourth row is 20, so that is not 10, right? So the searching will break now. Now searching will start for 20. It is matching here, it will come in the output. Next is 30. Searching will again break because it's not 20. Now it will move to the next row. Similarly, it will keep searching for all the rows, and the outputs will keep coming in the final output. The only change is anything from here, like 50, not match anything here. Still, this complete row will come here, and the nulls will be appended for left table. This 99, 40, 99 or null, why didn't come? Because this was not available here, and we are looking for the number which is existing here. Like 30 is here. I start searching 30 from the top and match here. There was no 99 here, so there is no searching here 99 and matching it here. Is the final answer for your question. That goes, show all the employees' name and the employees working in them, even if department has no employees, and it should still appear. So department has no employees. Like 50 is the department which has no employees here, because you can see department ID 50 is not assigned to anybody, but still it is coming in the final list, right?